Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can reset the forgot screen time passcode on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So you can see here, let's say I have forgotten the passcode, and you may try several times. And if you have tried too many times, your phone says you cannot try again and you have to wait for a period of time. So let's see how you can reset the forgotten password. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Then tap on Change Screen Time Passcode. And in here, tap on Turn Off Screen Time Passcode or Change Screen Time Passcode. So tap on that. And then at the bottom here, you can see there is a forgot passcode. You tap on that. And next, you will need to put in your Apple ID and password. So put in your current Apple ID and password that you have used to log into this device or the account that you have used for your screen time passcode recovery. So I'm going to put in my Apple ID now and password and tap on the OK button. Okay, put in your account details and password. After that, it will give you a chance to enter in a new screen time passcode. So in here, put in a new screen time passcode. Put in the same passcode again to verify it. And that's it. So that's how you can reset the forgotten password or the forgotten screen time password or passcode for your iPhone 12. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.